Alrighty guys, welcome back. We're here at Superformance and we're here in Squiggle's Falcon. Thanks for letting me drive it.
Yeah, you're right.
Probably not a lot of people are sitting in this seat, do they?
Very rarely.
Yeah.
And my daughter wants to get in there, but
does she?
I won't allow you.
You won't allow it? Why not?
You're redhead.
You know, you recently just took this to Superformance because just need a little bit of love, need a little bit of attention.
Wanted to tidy it up a little bit. Had a bit of a miss in it.
Yeah.
Thought after 40 years, it needs a little bit of attention. So.
And that's look, before we get to what Superformance did, that's the amazing thing about this rig. You've had this for 40 years, since 1980s, wasn't it?
Yeah, 1984 I bought it. Yeah.
And you've even still got all the original paperwork.
Yeah, all sitting here in the glove box, every single thing.
You know, if they sit around, that's when they wither away and die.
Yeah, this old girl, she don't sit around.
And this is your Daily Driver?
You could say that, yeah. It's registered as a daily driver. It's not Club Rego.
And you take this out, you take it out with your caravan.
Yeah.
You tow it on the back, and I love the caravan. You've got the matching colours and everything on it, don't you?
Painted the caravan up the supercar.
That's so cool. Yeah. Well, it's the perfect combo because you've got the black, the red, and you've even got the hot wire wheels.
Yeah, this is 1978 XC. My caravan's a 1979.
Oh, you're kidding.
Yeah, not far apart.
Mate, that's awesome. But this, you can tell that it's been your pride and joy. Not only because it's immensely well looked after, like the dash isn't cracked, the paint looks good, it's not littered with rust, but also the fact that you can tell that you've driven this a lot. The window winders,
all cracked.
You can see where they're all cracked from where you've actually and you've had passengers, obviously.
Yeah, all the time.
And the fact that exactly where your arm or your elbow would sit here, even that's weathered down.
Yeah, I just thought I wanted to sweeten her up a bit, so get rid of the old thermoquad Carby because I was having trouble buying parts for the thermoquad Holley, so Grant put me onto the brawler. So
yes,
650 brawler we put on it.
So now the guys at Superformance put an Edelbrock intake, the brawler, and
new CDI distributor.
Yeah.
This is electronic ignition, got no point. So.
And a bit of a dress-up kit too.
And a dress-up kit, yeah.
After 40 years, it's going to come back and it's going to get a bit of a cranky motor now.
Yeah, as my son said, spend some money on it, Dad.
Yeah, mate. Yeah.
I said, yeah, well, you'll get the benefit of that, mate.
So now you're looking at getting Superformance to build a 393?
Yeah, kick her out to a 393, yeah.
Mate, are you going to know what to do with all that extra power?
Should go all right.
Oh,
I think I'll handle it.
I think you should. Well, mate, thanks very much for coming out.
My pleasure.
And I can't wait to see you when it's all done with the new motor.
Yeah. Next time I come up, I'll bring the van.
Done. We'll go camping somewhere.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.